these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I saw this beautiful mirrored piece online. It's like sold in the UK. I haven't found one in the United States for sale or anything, but I wanted to duplicate it. So guys, that's what we're going to do today. We are going to duplicate this beautiful mirrored piece. Okay, so guys, I had gotten some coasters for Christmas last year, and that's what we'll be using. So these are the beautiful coasters. We're going to use those, and this large mirror came from Michael's a long time ago. Some cardboard I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use these beautiful mirrored tiles that I got from Nafuu Glam Decor, and we're going to use these beautiful candle holders that I got from the at-home store. So I just turned the poster board around and on the darker side, and we're just going to go ahead and take our mirror tiles and we are going to place them where we want them to go. And then after that, I'm just going to adhere them to the poster board. And guys, as I always tell you, if you're going to duplicate any of my projects, then you definitely need to use some E6000 or heavy duty glue if you plan on keeping these items. Okay guys, so I'm showing you that I struggled a little bit with the cardboard. This cardboard was actually hard and it was very thick. I don't know why, but it was very, very thick. And the little X-Acto knife just wasn't cutting it, literally. So guys, I put a little elbow work to it and I got it done. So guys, for an added bonus, we are going to make some sconces to go with the mirror. Okay, so we're going to use our coasters and these mirror tiles from Nafuu Glam Decor, and we're going to place our candle holder onto the mirrors. Okay guys, so this is another look at these beautiful, gorgeous mirrors. Guys, the House of, I think it's called House of Sparkle, they sell these, and I believe it's in the UK, but these mirrors are gorgeous. And outletmirror.com. So guys, look at my mirror, and I hope y'all like it. But I got sconces with mine, guys, and these mirrors are expensive. Why buy them when you can make them? I really just love how it turned out. I love these sconces. I hope you do. And if you do, then you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.